Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It is a Minimal Monday where I share a quick home tip along with answer a question and a giveaway. So let's get started. Before I get started, I want to say a huge thank you to my friends out there. Thank you to everyone who came out to my book signings this month. It was so great spending time with you and meeting everyone and signing books and seeing some old friends and some new friends. I want to say a huge thank you to my team. They executed everything seamlessly. They were amazing. They gave up their weekends, their evenings, and they really put 120, 50, 200% into this. They were amazing. And we celebrated together with my team, my friends, my family, you all. We just really had a great time just enjoying the book and celebrating the book. And again, I want to say thank you to everyone who came out. And I also want to say a huge thank you to all my friends out there who have supported me, who have purchased the book, who have emailed me and sent me messages. I have been reading them. I have been so excited to find out how much you are enjoying the book and how helpful you have found it. It just makes all of those struggle nights just so well worth it. So thank you so much for that. And I really, truly appreciate you. And your girl is back to business now. So let's jump right into the tip. And I want to switch it up sometimes. And this is a little switcheroo. I was on Pinterest and I read about how to shine your fixtures. And I wanted to test this out. So this is not actually a tip, it's more of a test. And so as you can see, I have some spots on the bath faucet here. And so I'm just kind of giving it a wipe down and drying it off. And then I'm going to try this method to see if it's going to work. You know, I wasn't really hopeful about it. It didn't feel like it would, but I said I'm going to try it so that at least I can maybe save you some time from having to give it a try. So after I dry it off, what the tip was actually to take wax paper. And how you would shine it is with the wax paper. And what they say is it would shine it and coat it so that it would kind of save you time. Well, one thing I noticed is the amount of time that you had to use to try to get it to shine wasn't worth it. I went right back to my glass cleaner with the quickness for that true shine that I desire because the wax paper did not work for me. So I would have to say this is a huge fail, friends. So now let's move into the question. One question that I am asked a lot is about the chandelier that is above my island in my kitchen. It is one that I got when we made over the kitchen a few years back. I got it from overstock.com. It's the Anastasia leaf chandelier in silver. One thing I will say, friends, is it's absolutely beautiful. I still love it, but it is something to put together. It will be very time consuming. It is very difficult to put together, but it is well worth it once you get this together because I'm really happy with it and I would purchase it again. Okay, so let's move into the giveaway. But before I move into what this week's giveaway is, it is a cloth and paper gift. But I want to share with you the giveaway prize that I gave away to everyone who came to my book signings. Everyone who came had a chance to enter to win this beautiful leather gray A5 size cloth and paper planner. I fell in love with this planner. It matched the whole theme of the book signings and everything. Has the beautiful gold hardware. And thanks to Cloth and Paper for letting me go on their site and put together all my dream pieces for this planner for all of my friends who came out to the signing. So they sent me all of the inserts, and I tried to choose inserts that I thought would be helpful, such as your monthly expenses and purchases, habit trackers, and line paper for, kind of making your list and things like that. And you all know they're a stationery company that has the most beautiful line of products. You all know over the years I have been a super fan, so this was super exciting for me to do. Along with the pen, of course, we have to get the pen that coordinated with it. So I thought it would be fun today to share with you how I put this planner together. And everyone who came out, you got to put your hands on the planner, go through the planner and everything. That was so much fun to be able to have these at all of the signings, along with the dividers. And I love the transparent ones with the gold embossed labeling. It's absolutely beautiful. And it was so nice to be able to put this together for all of my friends who came out. And so I'll be picking that winner this week. But moving into the planner, I want to start by putting in the dividers. And again, I like these translucent ones with the gold embossed, they're really pretty. And then the dashboards, they have the neatest dashboards, and one that said bold that I thought would be perfect to put in the front. And then I'll also incorporate it into the planner so that if they want to switch out, whoever wins, if you want to switch it out, you'll have both options. Now, one thing I do like is I like to use side and top facing tabs because I think it's a great way to maximize space within your planner. And also, I think it just gives it a lot of versatility. And I love that Cloth and Paper, they offer a variety of options. So you can put your calendar to the side, and then you can put your various tabs such as your notes and all of your kind of budget and things from the top. The other thing is having your little ruler that has your today tab on it, and this is great to identify today's schedule. And so I'm going to also include that in the planner. It also has that beautiful gold embossing, which is beautiful to have, and I love the theme with the gray and the gold. Along with, I'm going to put all of the inserts into their sections now. And again, I tried to pick those things that I thought would be so useful to a variety of people and really give you a lot of options within your planner. So friends, one of my favorite inserts from Cloth and Paper are the open header lined note paper because it's numbered. You can use it to create your list, or what I like to do is use it to number things that I need to do within a month's period because it is numbered. So it's really great for kind of goal setting, daily goal setting and things like that. So it's really a versatile insert. So that's truly one of my favorites there. And so I want to go through and just make sure that I'm getting all of the inserts into the planner to make sure that it is filled with efficiency for one of my friends. So I also wanted to make sure that I put a contact insert in there. I know we use our phone for a lot of things, but a lot of times when you're doing business, you have those key essential numbers that you want, like conference call numbers and things like that I'm accessing. So I like to have those in my planners for those kind of conference line numbers. Mostly mine are for those conference line numbers that I use from week to week when working with different folks. So those are great to have on hand. And then of course we need our grocery list. And so I was definitely going to include that because I know that we all could use that. So that is also included it's in the A5 size. So it is really beautifully stacked with the Cloth and Paper inserts. And now I want to add all of the finishing touches. You know, Cloth and Paper has some beautiful pads that are great for like habit trackers and notepads. And of course, one of my favorites is the marble styled Post-its. I love these. I keep them on my desk. And then I love the little cards that they have. They have all these cute little cards, and I thought that this one that said gratitude really expressed what I wanted to say to whoever won. So I definitely wanted that to be in the front, and then adding little kind of pads in there such as urgent. And then I had these two gold and silver pads, and you guys know I like having notebooks rather. You know I liked having a little resource book in there, so I thought the gold would be in there, beautiful in there, and I'll add the silver in if in case whoever wins wants to switch out. Of course, I'm putting my business card in there along with another little book, ideas book that I'm going to tuck in the back where you can keep your goals and things like that. And then, of course, the Dove Gray Cloth and Paper pen. You have to have that pen that coordinates. And then you all know I was going to put my little finishing touches. One of my favorite little markers, which is actually a hair pen that I buy from Michael's, but I have them on every planner that I had, so it was only fitting to make sure that my friend, whoever wins, that you have one on yours. And then I tuck my second favorite one in the pocket there. Along with, we have to have a little something to jazz it up and a decor piece on the planner. And so I always clip something fun to my planners, and I wanted to do the same here. So I have that little poof. And of course, my favorite little stickers. And that is the planner. And I think it is going to be so nice for the winner to be able to jump right in and enjoy. I also did add a few of the tabs for the grocery and the notes. And you all know my gold tabs that I love to use. And so I just could not send this planner off without adding two to have on the planner. So I've added two of those in. So here is the beautiful and completed Cloth and Paper planner that I have been having by my side at all the book signings. And I will be picking the winner this week, so stay tuned for that. I also want to say that I'm giving away a Cloth and Paper subscription box, my actual subscription box for 1 month for this month. So definitely leave me a comment to enter to win. Along with, I do have a discount code for all my friends if you use Nikki15. So definitely I'll link that below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.